Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys two methods to hand cut window tint. First thing you want to do is clean the outside of the glass, that way you have a nice clean surface to work on. When you place a film on the glass, make sure it is clear liner side out. Be careful placing the film on the glass so you don't get any creases in the process. Slide the film over so you have good coverage on both sides. Right here I'm tacking the film to the glass, that way it does not move around in the process. I am using a silver Sharpie to outline where my cuts will be on the left, right, and bottom. Be careful during this process not to crease the film by accident. Once you have the outlines done, you're going to want to roll down the window about an inch to cut your top edge. Before rolling it down, make sure the bottom of the film is not touching the glass so it does not get caught in between the glass and the door. When cutting the top edge, hold your blade like you're holding a dart and angle the blade 30 degrees on the top edge of the glass. Hold and follow this position throughout the whole top edge. When cutting your excess film, make sure you are cutting away, that way you don't tear into your pattern. If you don't have a peel board like I do to make your final cuts, you can place your pattern in the rear windshield. Use a ruler to cut the bottom a 1/4 inch bigger from your Sharpie line and the sides 1/8 inch bigger. Now your pattern is starting to take shape. You want to make sure your top edges are smooth and straight. Now that your pattern is done, you just need to trim the corners a tad bit. And there you go. Now you're ready to shrink and install. And for method number 2, I am going to show you guys the conventional method that has been used by tinters all around the world for many years. When placing the film on the glass, make sure your bottom edge is a 1/4 inch below the seal. That way you do not have to cut a bottom edge and we use the factory edge of the film. Do a soft tack on the film to glass so it doesn't move easily, but we will have to shift it slightly. Make your first cut on the smaller side. Use your finger as a guide and make sure to point the blade away so you don't cut the rubber seal. Slide the film over a 1/4 inch. Make sure your blade is only out 1 click for cutting. Use your finger as a guide and make sure your blade is pointing away from the rubber seals. Shift your film back 1/8 inch. If you did this correctly, there should be no visible glass on the left or the right side. Tack your film firmly to the glass so it does not move. Separate the bottom of the film from the glass and lower the window an inch and cut your top edge. When cutting your top edge, you want the blade out a few clicks. Make your final cuts on your peel board and your template is ready. I do prefer the Sharpie method if I have to hand cut, less chance to scratch or damage a customer's vehicle, but that is just my personal preference. If you watched this far and found my tutorial useful, if you could hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I will link all my tools below. Thanks for watching.